Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your gifts with Amazon step by step clearly. To transfer your gifts on Amazon, start by signing into your Amazon account. Navigate to the Accounts and Lists section at the top right corner of the home page. Select your orders from the drop-down menu. Locate the order that contains the gift you want to transfer. Click on Order Details for that specific order. Identify the item you wish to transfer. Check if the item is eligible for transfer by reviewing the gift options. If eligible, click on the Return or Replace Items button. Select Transferred as a Gift from the Return Reason options. Follow the prompts to confirm that you wish to transfer the gift. Amazon will provide you with a gift transfer email template. Fill in the recipient's email address and any personal message you want to include. Review the transfer details before clicking Send. The recipient will receive an email with instructions on how to claim their gift. Remind them to check their spam or junk folder if they don't see the email in their inbox. Once the recipient claims their gift, the item will be transferred to their account. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation of the transfer from Amazon. You have successfully transferred your gift on Amazon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.